everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So to make these DIY handmade papers, I'm going to recycle these used notebook pages. So we have to cut these pages into small pieces as you can see in the video. So here I have cutted all the papers into small pieces. Now I'm going to add water and soak this paper for at least 2 hours. You can also soak this paper overnight as it also depends on the thickness of the paper that you are using. Now I'm going to transfer these soaked papers to a mixer jar and add some amount of water to it, and now I'm going to grind them well in a mixer. So this is how the grinded papers should look like. So now we need a strainer or a chunni like this and a vessel in which this strainer can fit in. Now add 3 to 4 spoons of these crushed papers and mix them well in the water. And remember that you add good amount of papers in it, otherwise your paper will be thin and it will not come out of the strainer properly. So here I am making yellow papers. So what can be better option for yellow color than turmeric? So add right and good amount of color or turmeric to it. It will give your paper a nice and beautiful color. Now let it set like this for 10 to 15 seconds and then remove the stain slowly from the vessel and let the water drain nicely. So now we need a towel or a cloth which can absorb the water. You can also use the sponge if you have. Press the cloth gently over the strainer to absorb the water. You can also put a vessel below the strainer to store the excess water. Now remove the cloth very slowly from the strainer. Now clean the edges so that the paper can come out properly and easily from the strainer. Now take a cloth in which you want to dry the paper. I'm removing this plate, but in some strainers you can't remove this plate, so it's totally fine. So now flip it and tap it until the paper come out properly from the strainer. So here I am using this plate to give the paper a perfect circle shape. You can also skip this if you are happy with the shape of your paper. So here I am doing the same, but this time I am using red acrylic colors. You can also use different colors like poster colors or watercolors or any color that you have. After making one paper, you can again use the same colored water to make same colored paper without adding more paints to it. Here I am using small plate to make small paper. You can use different shape cutters like square or rectangular, anything that you want. Now let it dry. You can also put a cloth over it and iron it to make it dry faster, but I am going to leave it like this for overnight to dry completely. So this is how the paper is going to look like after drying completely. Here I have made these 3 sizes of paper of this pink, and this one is made from the remaining edges of these papers. I put the edges all together in the strainer, and this is how this paper come out. So here I am doing wet on dry technique and the color is not spreading, which is great. And you can also draw mandalas and any painting that you want to draw. You can also cut the paper in different shapes after it gets dry. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye bye.